Sino kaya mananalo sa kanila dito guys? Ito ba guys? Tignan natin sila guys. 2 versus 2 guys. Guys Ano ito guys? Anuin mo muna natin guys. At saka guys, tignan ito guys Tapos guys, just wait guys Anuin ko muna guys Wait lang guys. Ayan guys, kita nyo na diba guys? Hawakan ko muna sila guys. Tapos tingnan mo guys, sino nanalo sa kanila guys? Ang panalo sa dito sa atin guys ay ito guys. Itong panalo sa atin, ang pinakamabilis na kotse. At ito ay mabilis din, Lamborghini ito guys, Lamborghini. Okay guys, ito round 2 guys. Round 2. Sino kaya panalo sa kanila round 2 dito guys? Tsaka guys, ito ng bahay namin guys. Okay lang yan guys. Pero guys, ito guys, kita nyo yan guys. Igaganyan ko yan guys. Okay guys, ang nauna guys ay ito guys. Kita nyo yan guys. Ito ang nauna guys. Mabilis to guys, mabilis. Pinakamabilis to guys. At saka guys, ito yung second guys. Ito yung second Second to guys. Second. At saka guys, diba guys, tapos na yung laban guys. Pero meron pa guys. Meron pa guys meron pa guys. Ito guys. Ito guys. Iba tong kotse na ito. Lumiliko po to guys. Lumiliko to guys. Ayan nyo guys Tsaka maganda kasi kung ano guys Ganyan yan guys Ganyan yan guys. Tapos atras. Tapos bitawan guys. Iba to guys. Panalo to isa guys. Panalo talaga guys. Lamborghini guys. Tingnan mo yan guys Tingnan mo yan. Maganda yan guys. Tsaka ito naman guys 76. Isa 76. Okay. May dinosaur. T-Rex yata to. T-Rex nga guys. T-Rex. Tsaka ano to guys. T-Rex. T-Rex nga guys. T-Rex. Okay guys. Pag ano guys please lang guys, like and subscribe guys. Bye bye guys.